Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this halo eye makeup. You can also wear this look on New Year's Eve. I will try my best to teach as simple as I can. You will get 25% off by using my code. I will link this in the description bar. So let's get started. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the shade from UCANBE's exotic flavor and starting off by applying it to my crease area. Picking the shade and adding it gradually to make it look more intense. OMG, look at that insane pigment. Well, I am sharing my review of this palette. I feel that it has more pigments and neons and the glitters are so bomb. I am literally in love with this palette. The application and the pigment, I will give this palette 10 on 10. This blending brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking this neon shade and applying it over my crease and blending it at length. Following the same technique of blending the eyeshadow, onto the other eye. Here I am building more purple shade with the same brush. Taking the darker purple-ish shade and applying over my crease to make it look more blended. Again, applying this lighter one. This crease base eye shade is from Handy Ann. Taking this double-ended brush from the Color Studio Professionals. Applying the cream in the replacement of concealer in semicircle kind of shape. Flat rounded brush is from BH Cosmetics. Applying this shade from Morphe X Jacqueline Hill palette, same on that area where I applied the cream base. The reason I am applying cream base is that you can easily see the difference here. The shade is popped up so beautifully. Wow. Taking the same blending brush, taking the lighter purple and blending my inner and outer V. But I am giving you all a tip here that these cream bases are so quickly drying formulated, so as you apply, just blend these immediately, taking the darker shade and repeating the process. Worry about the fall off, I will wipe it off later. This brush is from a drugstore. Applying the shimmery blue on the center of my lid. I already applied falsies, lined my waterline with a kohl pencil off camera. This smudger brush is from Morphe brushes, taking this brown shade and it's smoking out my lower lash line. This flat rectangular brush is from a drugstore, taking the shade from Morphe's palette and highlighting my brow bone. Pencil brush is from Morphe brushes and highlighting my inner corner as well. This is the final look. I hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.